I'm Debolina ma'am from EduArena Plex, and today our topic is, you can see here, non-contact forces. Okay, so today we will discuss about the non-contact force. Okay, so what is non-contact force? In the last video I have told you all about, I have discussed with you all about the contact force. Yes, so in the contact force what happens? There is a contact between the objects, there is an interaction between the objects, but in the non-contact force, there is no interaction, there is no contact between the objects. Okay, in the non-contact force there is no interaction, there is no contact between the objects. Okay, without coming into interaction or without coming into contact, the force comes into play in a non-contact force. So you see, the force which come into play without any contact, okay, without any contact of objects with one another are called non-contact force. Okay, so in non-contact force, the objects, they don't come, you can say, they don't come in contact with one another. Okay, they don't come in interaction, they don't come in contact with one another. So they are only known as the non-contact force. Okay, where I'll show you the board. So I hope you can see the board. So you see, example of non-contact force is, the magnetic force. Okay, why magnetic force is an example of non-contact force? Because you see, a magnet can exert a force on another magnet without being in contact with it. Okay, that is, a magnet. A magnet can, you can say, can exert a force on another magnet without being in contact with the other one. For example, if this is a magnet, okay, and this is another magnet, without touching one another, they can create a force. Okay, without coming in contact with one another, this magnet and this magnet, without coming in contact or without touching one another, they can create a force. Okay, so you see, a magnet can exert a force on one another without being in contact with each other. So we can say that, magnetic force is an example of non-contact force. Okay. Okay, so another example of this, non-contact force is, this gravitational force. Okay, now what is this gravitational force? Yes, for example, if any, suppose this pen, yes, if this pen, slips from my hand, it will fall in the ground only. If I just throw the pen, or if I just throw a coin, if I just throw the book, it will fall in the ground only. Why it will, always, you can say that why the things, they always fall to the ground only? Yes, anything, they always fall to the ground. Why? Because you see, objects or things fall towards the earth because, it pulls them. Okay, it falls down, it falls towards the ground, falls towards the earth because it pulls them. And this force is called the force of gravity or gravity. The force of gravity, or simply, it is called gravity. Okay, and this is only known as gravitational force. Okay. Okay, so I hope that you have understood this gravitational force. Okay. So, basically in the non-contact force, the objects, they don't come in contact. Okay, for example, this gravitational force. Yes, when we throw the pen, or if, the pen falls, it will directly go downwards. It will go to the earth. It will go to the ground. Yes, it will always fall in the ground only. Okay, and, between this pen and this ground, yes, they don't come in contact with each other. Though this pen, this always fall, towards the ground only, the ground and the pen, they don't come in touch. They don't come in contact with each other. Yes. So, this gravitational force is an example of the non-contact force. Okay. So, thank you everyone. I hope you all have understood. And please do like, share and subscribe our channel EduArena Plex.